Hello, Utopians, and welcome to the latest episode of
Utopian Bublets Daily Pack Opening.
And welcome to day 50. And we have a Shrouded Fable today, and starting from today, I will be doing the code giveaways thing. So basically, I'll show the code. Make sure that you like, subscribe, and comment on the videos. And here we go. So, we have Water Energy, Persian, Krogunk, Stuffle, Rowlet, Cassiopeia, Hypno, Academy at Night, Houndoom Reverse, a Krogunk Reverse, and a Cresselia Hollow. Look at that beauty, look how it shines. Catch you tomorrow.